My spouse has H-1B and he extended his H-1B on time, but he forgot about H-4 family members. So when family member realize the problem, their H-4 has already expired a year ago, what am I going to do? This happens a lot. When H-1B principal holder, they are extending their H-1B status, they forget to include their family members' H-4 extension. So they end up, the principal is in the valid status, but the family member status already expired. The legal consequence is pretty serious. If you are without legal status for more than 180 days, you cannot enter US for 3 years. If you stay illegally for more than a year, you cannot enter US for 10 years. But it sounds pretty unfair because the family members have to stay with the principal and the family member made innocent mistake not extending their H-4 with the H-1B. Is there any remedy for this kind of situation? The answer is yes. Experienced lawyer can file a non-protonc petition for the family member and ask USCIS to extend their status as if those cases were filed along with the principal's H-1B extension. So if the non-protonc is accepted, those family members' H-4 status will be extended and then cover the gap. And to prove that you meet non-protonc request, a lawyer needs to demonstrate that family members are not intentionally violating any immigration law. They are just forget about, or the principal just forgot about to include their family member in their extension. And if you have other out of control the reason that you didn't take action to extend your status, such as the sickness or family emergency that you missed the window to file the case, you can also request a non-protonc. So USCIS will consider all kind of situation and see if they would accept the request. If you have any question related to this part, you can contact us. Thank you.